Hello, my name's Sarah and I'm one of the staff members at Grimm&Co. I am really pleased to be able to share this week's story making story with you. Story making is one of the workshops that we do at Grimm&Co, and this story was written by a group of children that came to visit us recently. I'm going to read the beginning and the middle of their story. We're going to leave it on a cliffhanger, and then I'd love to invite you to write your own excellent ending for how this story might finish. Now, the story that I'm going to read today was written by Year 6s from Rainbow Forge Primary Academy in Sheffield. I had the great pleasure of being in this workshop. There was such a creative bunch of kids, and I really hope that you enjoy this story. So, our story today is called The Swamp King. Our story is about Swamp Man. He is covered in green goo and has greenish black hair, which is spiky. He is 7 feet tall and he smells like fish. He has too many spots because living in a swamp makes it hard to take a bath. He has one massive eye and one tiny eye, which are green, and he has no mouth or nose, but talks out of his ears, which look like tubes. He wears any type of ripped clothing. Most of all, Swamp Man hates beavers taking away his cheese. Cheese is so important because he uses it as deodorant, and he eats beavers. Swamp Man spends his day making flying burgers which poop out lettuce. Our story is also about a flying mermaid called Bobberina. She flies with her ears, which are like elephant ears. She lives in Marshmallow Land, where she has a secret underground base to plan things. She's not like a normal mermaid. She is evil and has a black tail and orange skin. She's quite young for a mermaid, nearly 1 million years old, and she really wants a neon pet flying leaf for some reason. Now, their story takes place in Marshmallow Land. There is nothing but marshmallows, and every single thing is made out of marshmallows. Mermaids are the only thing that live there, and they are all good, apart from Bobberina, who is hiding her evilness. The weather in Marshmallow Land is very cold and stormy. The sea is made out of hot chocolate, and the houses themselves are made out of chocolate. Part of the city is all green marshmallows, which is the swamp, and the grass is made of licorice. Now, once upon a time in Marshmallow Land, not long ago, 2 lovely people were in love. These people were Cosmic and Bobberina. Unfortunately, they broke up the next day. They broke up because Cosmic didn't like leaves and Bobberina wanted a pet leaf. So next, Bobberina went fishing and met Swamp Man. They became friends and planned an evil mission to defeat Cosmic. Cosmic was too powerful, so Swamp Man needed to make his flying burgers. Bobberina had a brainwave and decided to make a glove that made things turn evil with her special touch. The glove was red and looked like Michael Jackson's glove and dissolved things. When they came across Cosmic, they noticed he had an army of chickens that pooped out KFC and then exploded. Bobberina stalked Cosmic to see where he lived and then put out an all-out attack. Swamp Man and Bobberina both started to creep on Cosmic, but they didn't know about his secret walking chicken wing army. They were in a secret base, which Bobberina had suddenly come across. There was a walking barbecue sauce pot. It led Bobberina to an extra secret door. The door was in a bookshelf, and behind the bookshelf was the door. And through the door was Cosmic, drowning in ketchup. After he drowned, he was sadly not missed by his army. Bobberina and Swamp Man met Sam, the fire wizard, who had heard about Cosmic's death and came to join forces with Bobberina and Swamp Man. They all used Sam's fire wand to cook Cosmic, and then Swamp Man walked into the room. Suddenly, Swamp Man was... Dun, dun, dun! What is going to happen next? What was Swamp Man? It is up to you to tell us. Please write, video, record your story endings and send them to us. We cannot wait to read them. Thank you so much and good luck.